Today we're learning about inheritance design and how that plays a part in object-oriented programming. So let's just run through this fast. We have to create a program that it's for different assignments. So I need a math assignment that can store a student's name, a topic, the section, and the problems. And it should have a constructor attached to it, and it needs to return a summary like section 7.3 problems 8.8 to 19. And then writing, I need to do the same thing. I need to have a student's name and topic and a title of the assignment. So I went ahead, there's a design given, but I went ahead and made my own design. And with writing, I wrote down we needed a name, a topic, or a student name, an assignment name, a topic, a section, and problems. And then for the writing assignment, we need a name, a topic, and a title. And then, of course, we need a get summary, get homework list, get summary, get writing information. So when you talk about inheritance, you can actually, as you can see, it's a little redundant. We've got student name and topic, student name and topic. You can actually condense that and create a parent class that holds the student name and topic, which is shown right here. So a math assignment, the way to check that this makes sense, a math assignment is an assignment. So this can be a child of the parent class. So the math assignment is derived from the assignment class, and the writing assignment is derived from the assignment class. An issue would be if you had something like recess time or something for an elementary school. That is not an assignment. While it does have the student's name attached to it, and maybe it'll have a topic like playing outside or playing soccer or something, recess is not an assignment. So you'd have to make a new class for recess, but that's beside the point. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Start the project, create the base class. So I went ahead and did that. Remember, I said that the student name and topic are two repeated items, so we can use that as many times as we want. I have a little note. I'm actually going to write it out real fast. So typically, in the past, we've done something called private string student name, but today we're going to be using protected student or string student name. So private is useful only for the current class. Cannot be used anywhere else. But protected, it's actually really cool. You can use it in any class that's derived from this parent class. So now any other class that I create that's derived from the assignment class, I can use student name and topic. So I created a constructor, public assignment. It has a string name and string topic. Set those equal to themselves. And then a get summary method that returns the student name dash topic. And if we go over to the main program, let me go ahead and comment this out. Actually, yeah, let's do that. And let's say I run it. It should return my name, a dash, and a topic. That's because I created a new constructor over here called assignment1, and then I did writeline assignment1 dot get summary, which is calling the method from the class. So let's go ahead and see. I think after I do this one test, I'm going to wait until the end to test all the others. Okay, there it is. My name and then the topic. Fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and uncomment that. Okay. So we just finished creating the base class with the summary, and there's the sample output. Now creating the math assignment class. Let's move over there. So this is how you derive a class from a parent class. So I created a new class, colon, parent class. So this just says math assignment is a part of the assignment class. And here I've got two strings that are specific only to the math assignment. That's the section number and the problems. So I created a constructor as was asked, but you might see something that's a little interesting. I've got string name and string topic in here, but they're not called anywhere. And naturally there'd be an error. And that error would say that these two strings, name, it's required to be called in here. You can't just make it up. And the way to get around that, since we're deriving it from the parent class, over here, we write colon, just like up top, base, and then you add in the variables you want to have in here. So I want name and topic in here. And there we go. Now there's no more error, and I set the section number and problems equal to itself, and I set get homework list to return the section number and the problems. As you can see here, I create a new instance, math assignment 1. It has the name, the topic, the section number, and the problems. Let's just do 2 through 6 like that. And then it says math assignment. It calls the math assignment, and it calls the get summary method, which may be confusing because in the math assignment you don't have a get summary method, but because the program knows that it's a child of the assignment class, it knows it can look in the assignment class as well. So it knows it can go here and pull this information. So it should return Luke World War II, section 14.3, problems 2 through 6. Awesome. There's the sample output, and I'll show that again in a second. Now we need to create the writing assignment class. And here, this is where it describes protected instead of private. It says, you may notice that you can't use this. That's because it's private. You need to set it to protected to make sure it works. So let's go over to the writing assignment class and check that out real quick. So remember, when in the writing assignment class, you only needed a title because the name and topic is already given. So again, public class writing assignment as the son of the assignment class. Private string title of paper. I created a new constructor using the name, topic, and title with the same method as before. Remember, there would be an error, right? It's saying that name and topic don't exist. So semicolon, base, or I'm sorry, that's a colon, base, name, topic. Boom, no more error. There's the title, and it's just going to string paper title. It's going to return a string, paper title, title of paper. Okay, let's go back to the program. Here we have writing assignment 1 is a new constructor with the name, the topic, and then the name of the paper. Let me show you something real quick. Let me just delete this. When I create parentheses, it already lets me know that I need to have a name. So let's say Jake. Now we need a topic. Let's say social studies, just like before. And now I need a title. Let's say how Minecraft changed the world. Okay. And it's the same for up here as well. When I'm filling in the math assignment, I need a name, a topic, a section, and a problem or problems. Let's get that back. Again, console.writeLine, writing assignment 1, .get summary. It knows that it can use get summary because it can peek into the assignment class and take that. And then the get writing information, of course, that's from the writing assignment class. So let's go ahead and run this one more time and just see what it all looks like. So it should say Wes OOP and then a new line, Luke, World War II, new line 14.3, 2.2 to 6, new line Jake, space social studies, new line how Minecraft changed the world. There we go, just what we wanted. So the first one, then here's Luke, World War II, section 14.3, problems 2 to 6, Jake, social studies, paper title, how Minecraft changed the world. Fantastic. This is just a simple expression of how you can use inheritance design to make your programs a little bit simpler. So that way you're not repeating yourself every single time saying private string name, you know, you can just keep it the same and not worry about being redundant. So that is inheritance design.